Hey. Congrats, congrats. Today's Friday, right? I don't even know what day it is. Friday for you started Monday 11 a.m. What, like, just how long are you off? Hi Shmel, welcome in. Oh, I was like you didn't have work? Okay, okay. Hi Star, welcome in. uh, let's see. I don't remember how to stream. I literally am drawing a blank. Hold on. I need some chocolate and I have my tea in front of me. Are you yelling at me? Are you yelling at me? I got first last stream. That's all that happened. Is my stream deck? My stream deck's not working again. Oh wait, yes it is. Yes it is. Okay, okay, okay. So we have no hot water. Actually, our shower just doesn't work at all. So that was fun today. At first, I was expecting like, okay, I'm gonna have to take a cold shower. No, no. Couldn't even get the water running. So that was so much fun. No, we didn't have electricity 2 days ago. Was it 2 days ago or 3 days ago? Or was it yesterday? I don't even know what day anymore. Anything happened. There's been so many things that have been happening. Yeah, so much fun. The power outage. They sent out an email with a rate hike. I don't know. Maybe, maybe. Okay, anyways, today we're going to be doing Kaggle again. Fun. I have to admit, I was looking at this and I was like, I don't remember how to do Kaggle. Or not Kaggle. I don't remember how to do histograms. So, yeah. Yeah, I don't know how to do histograms. Also, opinion, guys. Somebody was saying that I should do space buns, like two ponytail or two buns on either side, like this. Should I show up in next stream with that? Okay, I'm really tired, so I'm trying to, obviously, hi Sockhead, welcome in. I'm really tired, so I'm gonna try and like get through this as quick as I can. There's 7. I'm on task 2 already. Actually, hold on. Mm. Uh, okay. Hi, King Zeus. Welcome in. Okay. That's not what I wanted to do. Data sets. Yep. More actions. No. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Okay. Okay. Select all. Up. Oh my gosh. What the heck? What the heck? Why won't you let me do that? How annoying. How annoying. Select all. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Why won't, okay, screw that. Don't care. Don't care about this right now. Okay. Hi, Dark Wolf. Welcome in. Petty, you said that last time. I don't understand what you mean by prepare group Discord. I have a Discord already. Hi, Rython. How have you been? I know I just chatted with you 2 days ago, but I also know that you've been co-working and you've been working and stuff. Um, and you cannot on this phone though? Yeah, I can't imagine trying to read coding streams on a phone. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, being curious. Okay. I'm obviously very distracted right now. I'm tired. Baby didn't nap again today. And this is how much energy she has, guys. This is how much energy she has. We literally went to ballet class and she was meeting a new teacher today, right? Because makeup class. And literally everyone in the class, like all of the parents and stuff, they were just like, wow, she has a lot of energy. Like, she did not stop running in circles for the full hour. Full hour. Just running in circles and spinning and jumping. Like, I can't keep up with her. Working on Friday night, I have to study whenever I can. I have to study whenever I can. Oh, no. See, it wasn't just the hour. Literally, it was when we got home too. Didn't stop. Didn't nap today. Her room was a lot of fun to clean. um, and then we went out to dinner tonight. It was mommy and Minnie date night, right? Like it was just me and her, and literally, oh my gosh, just running nonstop, nonstop, and climbing in and out of the chair, and just yeah. Um, Hi, coding therapist. Welcome in. You have a 1-year-old that won't nap anymore? Yeah, so my baby would, drop down to 1 nap at around, like, 8 or 9 months, and it's just been a struggle since. We do quiet time now, except she knows how to open her door now, so that's also a lot of fun. Mhm, lots and lots of fun. No, she doesn't get any sugar. She We eat pretty clean, except for the fact that I'm always eating chocolate and tea. She eats pretty clean. She loves her fruits and vegetables. She is a toddler. She is preschool age. Yeah. A large hamster wheel. Good luck getting your toddler to stay on the hamster wheel because most kids don't run in straight lines. Yeah, so she's a really good eater. We actually struggle getting carbs and protein in her. She loves her fruits and vegetables more than anything else. Also cheese. Cheese is probably a really good one, but fruits and vegetables, like if we put cucumbers, zucchini, green beans. Like if we put that or beets, oh my gosh, she loves beets. So if we put that on the plate with everything else, she will eat all of that first. Oh, eggplant too. She really likes eggplant. All that first before anything else. Mine is 4 already. It happened so fast. Ew. What's ew? Oh my gosh. We and we're in the birthday party era right now too. Like I'm not even kidding you. We've been to like 6 birthday parties in the past like 3 months. 6. 6. And we have like 3 more and we're gonna miss like probably 2 of them when we're out of town. Oh yeah, beets are really good. What is it? What is Yeah. I'm not gonna comment on that. Right on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Wait, where are you? We just chatted. Okay, there we go. Holland, the November baby's out. Okay, okay. Anyways, my brain is like bouncing all over the place. That's not very good today. My brain is bouncing all over the place right now. I'm gonna hit a focus mode and actually try and get something done. Something done. Ah, okay. Be right back. Be right. Or did I already hit a focus mode? No, okay. So creating loading data. Okay, so we also want to. I like beets. I like beets. Baby likes beets. And if you don't like beets, chances are the place that you got it from didn't cook it right. But honestly, it's so easy. You just steam them and then you peel them and then you cut them up and you eat them. They're really sweet. Maybe that's why baby likes them. Okay. Am I going to eat? Okay. Does anybody remember Doug? Na 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 na. Does anyone remember Doug and Patty Mayonnaise and Skeeter? And Judy? Oh my gosh, what happened to my camera? Yeah, but does any beets are nature's candy, okay? Beets are nature's candy, according to Doug. It's Skeeter. Ah, that show's not talked about enough. Rugrats is starting to be talked about again. Ah, Real Monsters also not talked about enough. Honey is nature's candy. Right, then I think you're too young. Oh, yeah, I just aged myself anyways. When I was a boy, pickled. What's Sarnies? I know. I turned off AI. Excuse me. I turned off AI and it turns on because I talk so much with my hands. Yeah, so the face cam follows me unless I turn it off, and then I turn it off, but because I talk so much with my hands, it ends up, yeah. Okay, so to create a histogram, sandwich. I don't think I've ever heard of that. Okay, so what am I supposed to be doing? Hold on, guys, hold on. Um, I have that. Okay, so use histogram of age distribution in diabetes, where x-axis is age and y-axis is count. Okay, so the diabetes then we're going to do plot, and then we're going to do x-axis is, what is x-axis was supposed to be age. Count. Oh, thanks thanks for oh my gosh, I'm in focus mode, guys. See, this is where my mind is at right now. Can you guys tell? Pickle bread and pickled beetroot. I've never had pickled beets though. I don't know. And thanks for subscribing on YouTube, Zeus. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. We're gonna try the focus. We're gonna try the focus mode again because obviously that was a fail. I completely forgot I was in a focus mode. So be right back. Be right back, guys. Okay. Okay, so histogram. Explain histograms to me like I'm not smart. Okay, I'm gonna look up. So, uh, histogram, random data. Okay, so that's just one item. So I can't have just this. Yeah, I think it would be error. Has no access. Oh my gosh. X label. X label. Y label. Okay. And then we're gonna do plot dot title and where's the age? 9, 10. That's terrible. That's terrible. 7 years old. So many kids at 7. So many kids. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Okay. Um, okay. So do bins. So this has 30. This has 30. Okay, so we'll do 30. And then I don't like that. I don't like that. 20? Plotting every single unique value would result in messy unreviewable by dividing the entire range of values into a series of consecutive non. Okay, so we have between 0 and 12. Let's do bins of 2. Oops, that's not gonna work. Okay. 10. 15. Okay. I don't like that. 14. Okay, so 13. 13 looks the best. 13 looks the best. I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay, focus mode is over. Okay. Uh, was it good? I loved it. Would happily try it. We've not had pickled beets in the house. Feels like that's a thing. Have you guys ever had pickled mangoes before? It's a Hawaiian thing. It's a really good. I can imagine pickled beets being somewhat similar, but a different texture. Also, for the pickled beets, were they raw or were they cooked before they were pickled? Similar growing onion. Hi, Rohith. Welcome in. Yeah, are pickled beets raw beets put in vinegar and sugar or vinegar and salt, or are they I know how to speak, guys. Or are they cooked? Boiled. Okay. Pickled mangoes are so good. Like Hawaiian pickled mangoes. Actually, I'm pretty sure they have pickled mangoes in Asia as well. And I know that there's mango kimchi too, like fusion, whatnot, but oh my gosh, so good. So the Hawaiian ones, a lot of places will dye it red, but I actually, speaking of which, I don't think I ever ate the one that we bought. I have to go find it. I have to go find it. Okay, so right now I am drinking lemon tea. Ah, and diabetes age. Not mean. 8. Yeah, yeah, yep. That is what I would expect to see then. Okay. Okay, so general health over time. Create a health by age data frame. Okay. Hold on. Print diabetes age max. What is the max age? 13. Okay. And then why did that disappear? Okay, 13. And then how would I title it? Uh, 13. Childhood? Childhood age? Or children with age? WTH what? The only Hawaiian locomoco? So locomoco, when done right, is amazing. But majority of the locomocos I've had are not that great. Oh, wait. The VAR names. Oh, I my auto mod chooses some very interesting things to mod, but that's okay. That's okay. Age, group. Okay. So the thing that I struggled with the most was, um, am I, so this age, this doesn't, mm, okay, I'll double check this later, but, uh, well, age, uh, is that better? Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, general health over time. Create a health by age data frame using group by on the diabetes data frame. Group by age. Okay, so what is it called again? Health by age. Group by age. Aggregate the general health column using mean. Okay. Got that. Drawing a blank right now. I know how to do this. Dot ag. Okay. Category. Okay. And then that would be Gen Health. Gen Health. Right? Where is it? Gen Health. Okay. Dot mean. Oh my gosh. Dot ag mean. Right? Right? And then, oh my gosh. I don't know why I just did shift enter. Display. Display. Yeah, I know, guys. It needs to have Uh, that. Um, one. Okay, okay. Um, Hi, Nintendo. How are you? But how is everyone tonight on a fine Friday night that I am studying? What just happened? Group by object. Okay. Aggregate. Add a column called health, the resulting data frame. Okay, so health by age, health. Okay. Thanks so much for the follow, Ryuminosu. Oh, nice. Oh, very nice. For those of you who might be interested, Coding Therapist is actually somebody from Code the Dream, and posts YouTubes as well of him solving leak code from what I remember. I meant to go look at your channel today, and then I just, oh, if you missed the beginning of stream, today was so much fun with my toddler. So much fun. But yeah, so on YouTube, not on Twitch. So the Coding Therapist on YouTube. Unless, do you stream on Twitch too? But the Coding Therapist is part of Code the Dream. He's doing, you stream on Twitch as well? Oh, awesome, awesome. Okay, wow. Very cool. Okay. So I guess he streams on Twitch as well. but but he's doing the web development track, and he's also a mentor. He's also a mentor. So that's pretty cool. Um Disney Plus, what were you working on Disney Plus? And then I see Sock. Hey, Sizzle. Here, Sizzle, what's the news? I remember you started a new job, right? Or you were job hunting. Oh my gosh, so many people have found jobs recently. And I haven't heard from Coding from Strangers yet. Okay. You've done some things using GitHub Actions. Is to use GitHub Actions to analyze your repos, and then you can auto-generate some visuals exactly like you're doing now, but on your own data, which is fun. Ooh, Sockhead. Okay, wait, that sounds pretty cool. I need to get all of this homework done before February, which means that I have to be a month ahead. So that's gonna have to be a pin in it. But I also have like 3 other projects on the back burner right now. So yeah. I should find a job unrelated to computers. 100. Oh my gosh, Pure Sizzle. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for you. Be a bee farmer. I wanna grow sweet potatoes. I heard they're really easy. And my student's mom. So for those of you who don't know, I used to coach figure skating. I keep in touch with some of the parents, but who were you talking to? You were talking with him yesterday. Wait, who were you talking with? What? Oh, thanks so much for the follow up. So truthfully podcast. Oh, putting with Hero. Okay. Oh, about the exact same thing? Oh my goodness. Well, that makes sense because he's now a data engineer. Okay, yeah, I have to reach out to him again. But Pierce is all. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for you. What is the position for? Is it for front end, back end? Lopta. Honestly though, like I heard sweet potatoes are pretty easy to grow. My cousin grew corn in her backyard. So that also seems like a really cool thing to try and grow. Hi, Cray. Welcome in. Let's see. I am so what's good? Not my coding right now. Okay, actually no, that I shouldn't say that. Not my focus right now. My focus is not good right now. But it's a Friday night. What's good with you? Uh, I'm so distracted. Okay. Health, the value of I'm not with corn, but I think you have to grow enough of it in a clump. So if I know you didn't ask me, but if I could pick a job to switch to right now where I wouldn't have to start from the bottom again, I would actually, I think I would stick with programming. Coding. Are you the crate? Are you or crate? Are you Oh no, baby is awake. Oh gosh. Oh, please go back to sleep. If I don't breathe, maybe she'll go back to sleep. Don't move. Don't move. Maybe she'll go back to sleep. She didn't even sleep for 30 minutes, guys. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, guys. Hold on. Oh, wait. Thanks so much for the follow, Jer Jer Jergar 89. Okay, well, she's lying down again. Okay. She's lying down again. Hey guys. Um I know. She doesn't look like a baby anymore, guys. Oh my gosh, my dog's gonna wake her up. Um, yeah. If I could, okay, if coding wasn't in the picture, I think I would go back to coaching skating or else consider show skating. Like if I were younger or if I was still in shape, I would consider show skating. Hi, Kesha. Welcome in. Hey, Pierce Sizzle. Pierce Sizzle. Just got to get that foot in the door, get the experience, and then you can consider, like, you can try and do other things. What do I code in? My main language is Python, but currently I am in a program to become a data engineer. So I am working a lot with um, pandas, like the different libraries, like pandas and matplot and um, selenium. Thanks, Molly Coder. Every now and again, pivot to software, but AI is ruining all the things. I just saw something. For those of you guys who have been around, you know my whole thing about the pyramid workforce, the pyramid like senior devs, mid-tier, and junior devs, and like AI and companies are like trying to get rid of the junior devs, but it's basically going to turn the pyramid upside down and make it top heavy with senior devs, but then there's no one that's going to be funneled in to replace them and everything like that. But I just read an article that analysts are mentioning this, and they are saying that these companies are not considering the fact that they are trying to get rid of all the junior devs. And yeah, like it's flipping the workforce, and it's going to actually crumble it. So I thought that was pretty cool considering we've talked about this on stream before. I think AI is not necessarily ruining things. Okay, except for art. I think that is a very slippery slope. I get it. Art should be accessible, but in the sense of taking people's own, like people's artwork to train the AI when the these artists did not necessarily give permission to it, and then like having their work copied, I think is very yeah, I'm not okay with that. I'm not okay with that. Or else, like, you see, like, Temu or AliExpress stealing marketing pictures from small artists and then changing the model, but keeping the like basically the picture is exactly the same, except they change the model's face or race completely. Like, I'm not okay with that. However, I do think AI does help with efficiency. I don't use it in my learning, but I do think I will be using it when I am trying to like build something where I understand what I want to build and how it needs to be done. That way, I'll understand if AI makes a mistake. So I don't think AI is necessarily ruining things, but I do think a lot of people are being short-sighted on the effects that AI is going to have on certain things. And I think some people are a little bit too gung-ho about AI taking over, like wants AI to take over. I think they're a little too gung-ho about that and not fully realizing that there are repercussions with that. Kind of like the huge data centers. I will read chat. I'm going off on a very big tangent rant. Like the huge data centers that they're building. Like I know that in Silicon Valley there are some plans for some super centers, and honestly, I wouldn't want that near my place of residency. Like think about the other cities in the states that are no longer, yeah. Anyways, I get it, Sean. What do I get? That was a very long tangent or long rant. What at what point was it that I got something? Why not? What? Wait, what? But okay, so like Flint is there's not any safe drinking water and whatnot. And a lot of it has to do with the factories. And like, I'm just thinking those the power lines that are built near homes, those cell towers and stuff, like it was all deemed safe at one point, but within our generation, like within the generations, all of the energy, all of the waste runoff, the like it requires a lot of energy to run one of those. There's so much like the signals and whatnot. I'm blanking mom brain on. Hi, Arpit. Like the cooling, and there's just a lot of the signals. I'm totally drawing a blank right now. Mom brain, I swear. No, it's just it's the huge factories and whatnot. Like I wouldn't want that near my place of residency. It disrupts the ecosystem. It can make the soil and whatnot like I can't there's like scientific stuff being okay. Here is a like the cell towers, right? Okay, but like cell towers, right? Doesn't work with chemicals. There's electricity and signals. So it was deemed safe before, but now there are or not cell towers. There's something. I forgot what it is. Okay, hold on. Let me Google it then. Okay, so there's the environmental pollution with the air pollution, power plants and on-site backup generators that power data centers can release harmful air pollutants. And then water and chemical concerns. So some communities, such as Morrow County, Oregon, including data centers with water contamination, specifically high nitrates and clusters of rare medical conditions, including cancers and miscarriages, and the use of forever chemicals. And I know this is not specifically like the large data centers, but what I'm saying is I understand that it doesn't work with chemicals, but what I'm saying is that it's it's like too close to home for me. The fact that they're going to be building like multiple ones for all of these around expels an entire year. Okay, and I get that, but I'm saying like to have it so close. Yeah, I've been open about I'm in California. Like if people ask me straight up, I'll sometimes joke I'm in Earth and stuff like that. I have a data of LinkedIn of Arpit. I don't. I'm still learning, so I can't really suggest anything. Makes sense as in why I'm so crunchy, or makes sense as to why I'm very um hesitant about these data centers being built around my house. And then also like Like, oh, we're exclusively vinegar. Okay, anyways, guys. Yeah, so I also have a kid. Okay, so like, I just we don't know. I think the main thing is I get it. Like, you guys have this thing about like, oh, they don't do anything. And what I'm saying is, I'm not saying for sure that they do something. I'm saying that it hasn't been studied enough, the long-term effects, right? And for me, I have a kid. And if there are long-term effects, I don't want it near where my kid is growing up because it's not known. Kind of like, okay, so in they're building a lot of homes on like old military bases and things like that um that they've tested the soil and said, "Oh, it's very clean or it's safe or not clean. Sorry. It's safe to be built on," and things like that. And it's yeah, like I'm worried about the long-term effects. Like short term, okay, yeah, it might not necessarily do like data center. I know, and they want to build like multiple ones all at once. And it's just I wish that they would. Okay, have you guys heard of California City? It's 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 like a completely deserted city out in like it's it's a deserted city, like failed city, right? Out in like between California and Nevada. It's literally in the middle of nowhere. Okay, it's in the middle of nowhere. Um, why don't they build the data centers out there? No one lives out there. It's obviously not protected land. It's not in an like it's literally a deserted city. And they could use solar there because it's in the middle of the desert. You know, why build these giant things? Why build these giant things where near where people reside is my question. It's not that simple. We can use water as energy. Agreed. Returning to one of your streams. Hi, Farsix, welcome back. Is there power infrastructure going on to this deserted city? There was power. At one point, there was power. Yeah, I know, Sockhead. I know. But I'm just saying, like, it just, to me, before knowing the long-term effects, they are going to build, like, so many right in, like, smack dab in, like, residential areas. Like, it just blows my mind. Yeah, so, yeah. And also the fact of how much energy it requires to run these things. I'm just like, I'm not talking about politics, okay? I'm just talking about how is it sustainable? Like, how is it sustainable to run these huge data centers? Oh no, I agree. Like holding your cell phone and all that stuff, like I agree. long-term effects, and we're only starting to see these effects like in the next 10 or so years. No worries, pure sizzle. No worries. Yeah, it's what happens when you share your opinion, but also remember it is my stream. So while I do value all of your guys' opinions, this is my stream. So I feel like if you don't agree with it and I'm open to debating to a certain point, but yeah. If you don't like what you hear, you guys are welcome to go watch someone else. Yeah. I but I will put my foot down now. Anybody who comes in fanboying about using AI and asking me why I don't just use AI and AI is gonna take over and stuff, you guys can just those people can just out. Mm-mm. Don't need you here. Is it available for beats? Maybe beats can be used. But yeah, no, water being used to cool is not is too wait, what? I don't know who you're responding to. Okay, but on that note, I am going to hit a focus mode because yeah, when it floats away from it, then falls from the sky later on. But then at the same time, the when it evaporates, it's not necessarily being cleaned. So, and also, wait, sorry, thinking about it, when people were saying, oh, like it's not a chemical plant and stuff like that, but think about how many things are going to have to constantly be replaced there. So, think about all the electronics and wires and things like that that are constantly going to be replaced. And there's no like good way of recycling these things yet. You know, like, yeah. But I'm more worried about like what long-term effects and generally enjoy the conversation. Oh no. Did I say something wrong? No, I know you said that um yeah, so and then again, that environmental impact. Like and oh. Okay, anyways, I'm going to focus mode. Did I already hit it? No. Okay, I'm gonna focus mode and try and get something done right now. Okay. Column health result to the resulting. The value should be minus the gen health column. Mm, would this be health by age? And then health by age dots. Um, Sort index method. Um, Sort index. Feel like this is not right. Okay, so we have key error. So would this be diabetes? Uh, Hold on, what's the number? Health by age, sort index. Sort index. The index for this data frame because of the group. Sort index. Uh, what? Hold on. By the index. Use the sort index. The index for this data frame is age because of the group by. But it's not. I don't think I put this in here. Yeah. Okay, let me first see what this looks like. Huh? Wait, what? Huh. Is it supposed to be health by age? I'm kind of confused right now. Okay, so health by age, sort index. So the thing is, this doesn't look like it's the index. It says age. Health. Health. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. Gen health. So I need to get this. Okay, let me reread this problem. Create health by age data frame using group by on the diabetes data frame. Okay. Group by age. Aggregate the general health. Did I do something to, well, diabetes? Okay, hold on. Why am I missing half, like most of? Okay, so group by age. Okay. Okay. If it's a, I can definitely say that we take it more serious than any other large-scale industry by far. The water we receive from the city's first clean treat is lost, but the rest goes back to street. Yeah. So I know that there are some good companies out there that value long-term, like community support, but there are also some companies that are just like, eh. Okay, hold on, guys. Add a column health, the resulting data frame. The value of this should be 5 minus the gen health column. Okay, so there is no. Okay, hi Caesar. No, I am doing some data visualization for Matt. Ooh, okay, wait. Okay, hold on. Aggregate the gen health column. Am I missing? Apply a multiple aggregation to. If you use one set of brackets, series, simple list of numbers, returns a data frame. Because I don't want a series. I want. Okay. 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 Got it. Understood. Understood. Okay. Uh, okay. And then there we go. Okay. 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 It's because I made a series and not a data frame. Howdy, how are you? How's your job? How's data engineering? Nice locked night locked have a good night. Hi hon. I think it's just so we understand, maybe, I don't know. I did take data science before, so this is review for me, but apparently I've forgotten it all. No wonder. Showed up. You just say Lee country time. And you use Excel for it. Oh my gosh. Hi, mind. Busy? Oh my goodness. But still, how are you enjoying data engineering? Oh, need a let me know if they're hiring. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If they're hiring. If you need somebody else on your team. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, wait. Hold on. Since you're here, while I'm streaming, hold that thought. Hold that thought. Hold that thought. Let me. Okay. Okay. Wait. Hold this thought. Hold this thought. This part of data science makes you cry. Oh no. Okay. Where's my art? Okay. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Howling, are you there? Oh, don't want to show my baby. Howling, are you there? Are you there? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let me figure out how I'm gonna do this. Mm. Okay, so hold on. I need to make sure you guys can see this. Okay, so you have your tie, right? It's not focused. It's not focused. My camera has no idea what I'm focusing on. Okay. Oh my gosh, it can't focus on this. Hold on, guys. Hold on. We're working on it. Okay. 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 We'll do it quick. Okay. So we did it quick, right? And look, it's tied. It's tied in a bow. And it untied. Super easy, right? Okay. So loop one side, right? So do you see how the tail is on this side? I'm not cutting my yarn. So tail is on this side, right? And then tail is on the other side. So the end of the tail is on this side, right? And I just pinch like in Cat's Cradle game and I pull. I told you it's so easy. No, wait, no, you don't see or no, like, oh my gosh, it's that easy. Oh wait, Sockhead, you want to see my, okay, hold on. You want, I want to show it off. I'm very proud of my sweater. You want to see my sweater? Hold on. I definitely have ADHD with hobbies. Yeah. Howling. This knot. Literally this knot. Just tying a bow. Right? Except, okay, but I don't have to do like all of this. This takes too long. This takes too long. All I have to do is pitch. Okay, anyways, so guys, let's get rid of this. And I have to show this off because I'm very proud of it, and I fixed the neck. So, yeah, this is a sweater I knit. I ran out of yarn, so it's a little bit short, but I knit this sweater, and I'm very proud of it. And apparently, coders make very good knitters. Or was it knitters make very good coders? I think programmers make very good knitters. And then also I crochet too, guys. I crochet and I make stuffed animals. I think I have too many hobbies because I also do puzzles. I also sew. I also draw. But yeah, I'm very yeah, I wasn't very happy about the color once I made it. I feel like it doesn't really look great on me, but it's soft. So I'll take it. And then yeah. And then we're gonna be making more sweaters. Yeah. So we're gonna be making more sweaters and then 2 out of 3 colors. Okay, so the question is, have you ever tried though? Have you ever tried? Can't say that you stink at something if you've never tried it. You can just say that you've never done it before. Okay, anyways, that was a pretty good tangent, wasn't it? What just happened? Boy, they tried to teach us in high school. Okay, if you guys ever want to learn, I would be more than honored to be able to try to teach you. Because you can make mittens too. You make mittens, you can make scarves, you can make hats. Future partner, future kids, you can make their stuff. Like I made Baby Bunny a little pixie bonnet. And she has little mittens too. Perfectly fits her hands. I mean, I can not sew a button on. I don't know the proper way. I know how to do it where it should stay on, but if it's the correct technique, I have no idea. I have no idea. Okay, we're going to This means no more pants. Did you know? Did you know that Lululemon hems for free? If you buy pants from Lululemon, they will hem it for free for you. I don't do pants hemming either. I have a couple of pairs of jeans that have not been hemmed. And yeah, pretty bad. I just fold it up. You think I'd be able to wear this? Yeah, I don't know where the chat went to, but okay, you guys yeah, just will support it. I mean, if you buy things on sale, their sale items are pretty standard with cost of everything else. And actually, honestly, like looking at how much clothes are nowadays for good quality, granted, I don't support Lululemon. Or okay, I don't want to support Lululemon. Um, I don't know. They probably could hem shirts. I don't know. Like if you buy it from them, probably. But like, yeah, I feel like fast fashion has ruined or okay, it's not even fast fashion. No, you can. You can. I got so I'm really short, right? I'm very fun sized, okay? So short and granted, not anymore, okay? So I'm not what's that term? I'm not being a pick me, but when I was skating and when I was like working out and not chasing after a toddler and coaching and everything, I could fit into kids' clothes, right? So I actually used to buy the Lululemon kids line when they had it, and then I had to get it hemmed because I was so short. But yeah, they can hem their yoga pants. Uh, yeah, it's okay. Okay. Okay, so we are going to want to okay, again, not we're I'm gonna you guys keep talking. You guys keep talking. Okay, so x-axis is age and y-axis is health. So x-axis equals health by age, y-axis equals health by age. And then it shocks them when you see dang, not allowed to compliment the bro. This is tyranny. Wait, what? Wait, don't you wear a tank top on stream usually? I swear, like, isn't that normally your uniform on stream? Just on streaming. Well, then that's not being um that's not being subtle then, is it? Okay. It's kind of a sad story. You feel like that's something you don't notice. I feel like I only notice because it feels like whenever I pop into stream, he's always in the same black tank top. So sometimes I have to do like, wait, am I watching live? Okay, but to be fair, I'm usually just in my sweatshirt too. And howling, I feel you. I'm usually in my pajamas underneath my sweatshirt. Turing, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Line axes. Oh my gosh, okay. Plot title. Plot, X values, Y values. I don't have to think about outfits. Oh my gosh, wait. There was a show once, or what was it? Was it a movie or was it like a documentary on serial killers? Where it was like literally everything in the closet was like the same white shirt or something like that. I don't remember. I remember. I have to find it. I'm not saying. No, that's not what I meant. I'm just saying. Oh my god, I'm sorry. There was a show or something. I just remember. It was like all the same. All the same. Oh my gosh. In the closet, like everything was the same. And it was just like had to be the same brand, had to be the same color. You're a killer of leak code, okay? That's what I'm talking about. You're a killer of leak code. Oh my gosh. Oh, thanks so much for the follow. Mulan. I mean, like, oh my gosh. I don't even know. I don't even know. How stream just went. I'm so sorry. I blame howling. You distracted me by reminding me about the showing up in my stream and me needing to show you how to tie the knot, and then now we're talking about. Oh my gosh. You saw Neat Code was hiring? What is he hiring for? Same outfit, but like they have to be numbered or something somewhere. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna maybe not drink the rest of this tea. It has I have good ideas. Wait, I have good ideas. I have so many ideas. I should message him too. I should message him too. I have lots of good ideas. Wait, but then okay, send me on Discord, send me the link, okay? I will apply. I will apply. Okay. I'm gonna hit a focus mode because this has been show my wait, what? What? They ask if I'm proficient in C++. No, absolutely not. Would I like to learn? Yes. But am I? No. It is also 10. I'm gonna hit a focus mode. Be right back, guys. Be right back. can't type today. Holy moly. Uh, okay, I want to see what this looks like. Nope. Age. Health by age. Uh, Index? Okay. How do I get the index? Health by age, index. Oh. Oh, I don't need this then. Right? Y equals values. Okay, Y equals values. Right? No. Clock got an. Okay, hold on. Data frame plot. Oh, wait. Wait. Okay. Hold on. That's right. Okay. Help by age. Hold on. What? Index is not callable. Okay. No. Hold on. Okay. Let me what am I doing? What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing right now. Um, Oh, index has no, okay, duh. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. I know what I'm doing. Questionable. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? What am I doing? Don't know what I'm doing. There we go. Okay. Title. Um, okay. And access labels. Hot dogs. Uh, X label. Age. What did I call it again? Age of participants. Age of participants in study. Y. Can't spell label either. Y label. Um, Health. Measure of health. Okay. Focus mode is over. Okay. Oh, what? They want, don't you spin around to show the fit? Uh, Spin around to show, I don't know. I've never actually done an outfit of the day. uh, you know what? I'm telling him you stop, but he never listens. You should dye the hair on his head. Just wait, what? Who has Mrs. Oh. Oh. We'll tell him you said that. We'll tell him you said that. Wow. My dogs are 20s out of 10. This is pandas. Yeah, and then also Matt Watts Library. Also, hi, iTech. Welcome in. You don't want to get in his head. No, we'll still tell him that you said that. Oh, awesome. How did you hear about data engineering? It's something I only recently learned about. Okay, create a correlation matrix called diabetes correlation for all columns. Hey, Howling, I'm curious, how much of the stuff that I'm doing right now is stuff you've done at work now? I do. What? I think it, and then I remember I barely managed to take care of yourself. I mean, I barely managed to take care of myself, and I'm raising a whole human. So, if you really want a dog, you'll make it happen. Like you'll make it happen to take care of them, because I feel like for me, I don't necessarily prioritize myself, but I will prioritize my dogs and my kid. It's important in I want to be an AI engineer after I got enough experience. Okay. But I think data engineering and being like, so what do you mean by AI engineer? Like you want to write the code for AI? Or I guess I'm so confused about the term AI engineer. Like, or do you want to be the person who writes the LLMs? Or yeah. He's confused right now? Oh, you want to help train models. Okay. Do you need to know data engineering to train models? Like data annotation? Is that what you mean? I know, like, I technically have a contract. Yeah. I feel like so like data in a okay, so if you like data, then yeah. But I feel like with training the models, it doesn't actually really use much data either. Like it does, but they like spit out to you and then you look at it and you're like, "Oh, that's right or that's wrong or here's what needs to be changed" and stuff like that. Honestly, like I did a little bit of data annotation. I'm still technically contracted, so I do it here and there, but it's very tedious to me. Like I don't like it as much as coding. I would do it if if it was my job, my full-time job, but since it's a contract work, I kind of pick and choose. Heat. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna sound like a joke. A good introductory, easily. What does RLHF mean? It, right, a model that you train to identify palindromes. Ah, okay, that actually sounds pretty cool too. So equals diabetes times 4, 8. I don't know what that means. Man. Refer with human reinforcement learning with human feedback. Wait, reinforcement learning with so data annotation. Like, love, are you talking about what I was talking about? Yeah, it's very tedious. It's very tedious. And I think for certain personality types, it's actually really, really good. Like there are some type A personality types that would love to do that, I think, but no, I think I'm too chaotic. Use Seaborn to create a heat map. Oh. I mean, I think you need to know have an understanding of those, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so load your data into pandas data frame. Why are you not giving me the um seaborn? Wait, hold on. Didn't I import it? Oh, I forgot to run this again. I forgot to run this again. That's why. Okay. There we go. Okay. Subsetting the correlation. Okay, this is actually really pretty. Wait. Getting ideas on what I can do to create artwork using this. Okay, suppose you decide the data you care about in the diabetes, create a subset correlation matrix. Diabetes correlation. Okay. Mm, okay. Equals diabetes correlation dot log. Then we want to get heart disease. Should help. And we want it. Diabetes. Oh. Okay. Sounds good, Howling. Right there's attention I used to evaluate your. Oh, okay, good to know. Thanks for hanging out, Howling. Thanks for hanging out. See you on stream soon. Okay. Whoops. I guess that would help if I on the diabetes. Oh, wait. Just kidding. Just kidding. I need this too. I need this too. Okay. Sort this in descending order. Sort by Or was it ascending or descending? I think that was wrong. Hold on. Oh, comma, comma. I just ate chocolate and I if it makes you feel any better, I had chocolate as well, and I am currently drinking a lemon tea with condensed milk. Not eat. Hold on. I think I did that wrong. Yes. Seaborn. Was it without that? Has no. Okay, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Um, or did I just get. Okay, hold on. Okay, okay, so better, better. That head 10. Okay, hold on. Sort values. Sort values. Values. The descending is false. Ascending. 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 And I guess I want it descending, so okay. Let me see. Does this look different? Does this look different? I don't think this looks different. Hold on. Uh, no, it looks exactly the same. So am I doing something wrong? Am I doing something wrong? That is the question. Let's display diabetes formation subsets. Hmm. I think I might have done this wrong. No. Okay. No, 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 no. We're okay. Okay, so we got this right. Heart disease or attack. Gen health. Okay, anyways. First 10 rows. Wait, hold on. These columns for. Okay. No, no, I want the row. Okay, 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 okay. I did this wrong. I did this wrong. These columns. Okay, okay, okay. So I'm gonna hit a focus mode really quick, guys. And John T, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate it so much. Thank you, thank you. I'm gonna hit a focus mode really quick though, guys, because I think I'm close. I think I'm close, but okay, so oh no. Ugh, Okay, 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 okay. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, okay, okay. I think she's back asleep. I think. I hope. We'll see. We'll see. Hi Kenway. Welcome in. How are you? With only these okay. Okay, hold on. Mm, think that doesn't work either. Yeah, that's wrong. That's wrong. It needs to have selected columns. Okay. Correlation. Okay. The subset heat map function. Data. Correlation. Okay, subset columns. Select specific rows, keep all columns. You want correlation target against all columns. Okay, so I think it would be this. Yes, okay, perfect. Perfect. And then it would be and then how do we and then it also asked us to sort this on the descending sort values by equals ascending equals false. Descending. Okay. So it would be one. Okay, perfect, perfect. And then we should only have 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stroke. Okay. Then, okay, so I think for the last 10 rows, oh wait, create a heat map. These are the factors most strongly correlated. Create heat map with an appropriate title. These are the factors C4 dot heat map by ETs for subset dot tail 10 Seaborn. And so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 smoker. Okay. Okay, perfect. So we have those two, but how do I get them to display under with an appropriate title? Kaggle. It's a Kaggle notebook. J. Also, welcome in. Here. 5, 10. 3, right? Yeah. 3. Figure, fixed size. Or actually, I think this wants to be 3 and 10. I don't like that. 5? 3? Okay, so we want to I might okay, hold on. We're gonna worry about okay. Okay, and then we're going to add this. Okay. So then we have that. I'm gonna figure out how to do them in the same one, but let's first name it. For descending, create a heat map with an appropriate title and show it. These are the factors that are negative. Okay. So we would want to name this title negative correlation with diabetes. Oh, that didn't do it. on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Ugh. Okay. Am I still in focus mode? I don't even know. Yeah, sort of. All right, subset. Show. Oh, guys. Okay, I don't think I'm finishing tonight. Okay. Okay, hold on. Hold on. You guys hear her? Okay. Okay, okay. Why is Howley not on yet? Okay, 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 okay. Be right back. Be right back. I'll be right in. Otherwise, call me or else I can have. I understand. So you can either wait for mommy or else I can have daddy come in. Okay? I'm gonna ask you to wait for mommy. Door's open. Door's open. Guys, I gotta go. I gotta go. Unfortunately, she's not going back to sleep. And Howling is not on yet. So I was gonna raid him, but since he's not on, we're just gonna go. I appreciate you all. I will try and be back tomorrow. We'll see how baby does tomorrow. But I'm so close to finishing this. Okay, okay. Bye guys. Thanks so much for hanging out. I appreciate you all so much. You guys are amazing. Have a good night. Okay, bye.